Everybody, welcome aboard the Trans-Asia Airlines, a Vietnam Airlines. I don't know what is the name of the airline. This looks like a purple bird. Purple bird. I don't know. Smile. I need to know why the ATR. The ATR. But now you know why the ATR 72 is very long. But you might think that the ATR 72 is way too long. But if you think of the ATR 42, it might be short. ATR 42 is very. I think it's a Ryanair airline. But I need to try to take off and land this ATR 72 because I don't even try the ATR 72. So jam tu lah. But now I want to test my landing challenge, okay? Because I don't ever land this ATR 72 or take off this ATR 72. I just been fly the ATR 42 on this flight simulator. But in this flight simulator, it's not called the ATR. It's called RELF. Ini cuma game. Dia boleh apa sih? Boleh buat. So I need to try to. This you have my to know. This is a mod, guys. This is a game mod. You look on the interior of the ATR 72 is the same of the ATR 42. Yeah, look at this. This is a memory door. But if you think that on the new update of the ATR. A new update of the ATR 72 and 42 and E42, they might have make a new door. This is a side door. That's what I'm talking about. This is amazing, guys. This is to make many passengers to on board. Okay, let's see. This is a service door, okay? I don't know what is the meaning of that. That's the Ryanair. Prepare for the takeoff. Takeoff. Now I need to close the door. This in person I might be fast. Okay, close the door. Here we go. But it's not the realistic of the ATR 72 to make a front door. It's not realistic. Okay, let's close the door. Okay, now I need to turn on the engine. But this is old version, so I tried it. Okay, engine 1 restart. Engine 1 restart. Engine 1 start. Yeah. Engine 1 start. Yeah. The power is coming. And here we go. Engine number 2. This is just a basic flight simulator of the procedure. Well, display made by Alex Peter. And we have to what kind of simulator? It's a navigation lights. Sorry about that. I want to know of the. Now we're at runway 26 left of the beach airport, so we have to take off. Take off, guys. But I might use this. Okay, I want to show you. This is a gaming shooter. What did I say? This is a scoop. Oh, it's not working. Oh, stuck. This is a shooter games. When I look, this when you look, this is a scoop. This is a shooter. You might think this on behind is the trigger. Yes. So I might to fly. Maybe I think, imagine just like a yoke. I want to make us alright, guys. You might think that the ATR 72, but there's a too long of the aircraft that made by Swiss 001.
Plane that is really or relatively long and therefore is really prone to tail striking. We saw that last week indeed. So that got me thinking in my previous video of small with the 100, then the 200, the 300, and then the 400, which is the longest one. What happens if they do a 800? Everybody stay tuned for another YouTube video. Everybody in the airline of Alaska will be very pleased. Alaska. Yes, but we are able to take off, although we did a small tail strike. British Europe, European. British Irish Europe. Take off. It's not going to end well, is it? Oh. Yes! Everybody, I've crafted a genius airplane. I have no idea how, but we were able to take off just now with a Q800 from British.
Yeah, that's why we say dash 400 or it be 800. Okay, now we have. Shut up. Okay, now it's time to have us take off. Let's see the power. I said shut up. Okay, full power. Okay, power is we have to take the 89%. That is dropping. And we're getting speed. Are we getting speed? Yep, we're getting speed. 80 knots. 100. V1. Rotate. Okay, it's not takeoff. It's not takeoff, guys. Okay, it's not. Oh.
But we are able to take off, although we did a small tail strike.
Tail strike, guys. Help. Tail strike. Okay, we might to put the landing gear up. The real animation of the oh yes, guys, I forgot to take the flaps in time.
500.
Alright, here we go.
500.
Make a landing, a smooth landing here. Go make a tail strike. Yeah! Oh, this is the tail strike? No, it's not. Yeah! And we'll have to. Yeah! And we stop. Nice. How about we take off and land in the cliff airport of the turboprop facility in Archipelago. Let's see. It's kind of alright, let's see, go. The spoilers coming and the aileron. Yes, kind of okay. So let's make gain. Let's gain our power, guys. This is a short runway, so we have to be careful. Here we go, guys. 100. The plane is not take off, guys. What's happening? Yeah, don't plane again. Yeah! Take off again. Literally, so slow, very slow. Going to the spoilers. Okay. Oh no, I think we gotta make it hard.
500, 300, 200, 100.
I need power here.
50, 40, 30, 20.
And land. Land the plane. Come on, land the plane. Come on. Quiet, plane is. Well, I think, guys, that's all for now for this my test landing of the ATR 72 because it's way too long, guys. So it's not my ex-wife, it's my mother. So it's not my ex-wife. But because this phone is from my father. Okay, this phone is owned by my father, and he give me this phone. Okay, so and thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Again, and thanks for watching this video. I see you all I will see you next video. Assalamualaikum.